Hey guys, I'm Dilpreet here and you're welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is a very different video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, just create an outline using the HB pencil. After that, add detailings and see what placements suits the most. Now you have to take the purple acrylic color and paint it in this manner. Also, you have to make sure herein that you use the tones and shades of the same color while painting, because that gives an appealing look to your painting. Now using thin brush, make the outline using black and also fill the outline in this manner or the way that I am doing. Make eyelashes using dry and scruff brush, or else you can also use black pen. Now start working on the detailings. We have to use white pen to enhance the beauty of the painting. For that you need to make moons, stars, and yeah, then it's done. So my message to all the women and ladies out there: dear women, you are not less than anyone. Do not be afraid. Get up and go ahead.